This is hard gel on a warmer. But why? When should you actually use hard gel instead of soft gel? Hard gel or soft gel, the difference starts right here. And why I warmed my hard gel before using it. This video, I show you step by step how to apply each one. Alright, I'm going to start with soft gel. The application of hard gel and soft gel is different. Soft gel has a thinner consistency, so it needs faster application. Hard gel is thicker, so it allows slower, more controlled application. Soft gel is mainly for natural nails, while hard gel is used for structure and long nails. The nails are already prepped, dry manicure is done, cuticles are clean, and the nail surface is lightly buffed. First, I apply a very thin base coat. This layer should be thin because it's only meant to create adhesion. Now I pick up a small amount of soft gel and apply it in a thin to medium layer. Because soft gel is flexible, it doesn't need a thick structure or a strong apex. It's very important to keep the gel away from the cuticles. Even a small amount of flooding can cause lifting. I gently guide the gel toward the side walls, keeping the thickness even and controlled. Soft gel works best on short, resilient natural nails, because it has less structural strength and a thinner viscosity compared to hard gel. Tip soft gel is thinner, so work quickly and flip the finger to protect the apex. Once I'm happy with the application, I cure the nail for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on the brand. Soft gel does not need to be warmed because it has a thinner consistency. It's usually sold in bottles, which makes it easy to apply. Now let's watch the application again together. Why we warm hard gel before use. As you can see, it's much thicker and has high elasticity. This allows the gel to self-level more smoothly and spread evenly on the nail. Warming also gives better control when building structure and the apex. It does not change the strength of the gel, it only improves the application. How to apply hard gel. Dry manicure is done, cuticles are clean, and the nail surface is lightly buffed. Apply a thin, even layer of base coat and cure it fully. Gel is warmed and pick up a controlled amount of hard gel and place it in the center of the nail. First, I apply a thin slip layer to help the gel move smoothly. Gently guide the gel toward the side walls while keeping the center thicker. Build the apex slowly and evenly for proper structure. Hard gel is a great option for long, weak nails that break easily, because it provides higher strength and durability. Hard gel works at a slower pace, so give it a few seconds to flow toward the side walls. Hard gel is more durable than soft gel, and it's an ideal option for long nails. Flip the finger upside down for a few seconds to help the apex self-level. Cure the hard gel for at least 90 to 120 seconds. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment.